Hello mga kabatcher, may vlog tayo today. Tutoy Alice Tribal and personal actress Rian Ramos and Michelle Miss Universe, another Miss Universe. So about two very great, and two feed people less. So mayroon naman kasing record doon. So whatever the reported, because Rian Ramos and Michelle D, nagsasampahan silang dalawa, another Miss Universe. With a personal, yung kanilang hinahanap. So ang lumalabas dito, si Michelle D daw ay binugbog itong tutoy driver. At saka ang lakas naman ng loob nitong tutoy driver na to. Wala ba siyang takot na ang kalaban niya ay halos may pera, influence. At mahirap paniwalaan ganyan na with personal attack din na simply a man attack to personal higher people. So almost possible nangyayari talaga yan sa individual, whatever attack. But this is really crazy. It's really crazy. So mahirap sila paniwalaan. So, para sa paniwalaan ko naman, si Tutoy mayroon siyang criminal na ginawa at si Michelle D mayroon Rian Ramos o police o bodyguard, anything parang fine to justice, to guilty to each other. Alam niyo ba yun? At saka yung kaso na yan, matagal na iskandal yan. Walang umaamin at wala pang nakukulong sa kanila or inherited whatever for money to crime and your document to, mga tama o whatever kung sino makukulong o sino magbabayad sa kanila. Tingin nyo, simply a man, but all will of this influence people and this murder, whatever crime. So, well, ito lang natin mapaniwalaan at hindi naman natin pwedeng kontrolin kasi kahit normal na tao, pwede patay ng president. Or personal work. Kakasama nilang driver na to na si Tutoy and actress Rian Ramos. So, para sa akin, ay content creator for TikTok influencer. I don't care. But ever longer this make happen for other and your privacy document, pero hospitality, awareness for your celebrity influencer for people works. So, alam nyo kasi, kayo mga celebrity or models, kumukuha kayo ng mga driver, whatever your guard, doon sa mga yung OFW na mga test na yung nag-aaral talaga ng yung may papel over documents, ID, hindi yung kung saan lang kayo kumukuha. Mahirap yan. You know what, it's a struggle for whatever to job, always something corrupt and arrogant. O nasisilaw to si Tutoy sa karangyaan ng mga celebrity kaya gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi or namamanyak siya or whatever. But understanding for celebrity is not because a lot is for a man. Simply a man. Our celebrity, the Rian, is give the lot because she's personal drivers. So, abangan nyo na lang ang kwento. Nasa TikTok yan. Kasi sa TikTok, hindi na ako nagpo-post ng mga ganitong speech. Ang aking content ay magdilig ng halaman. Masisira lang aking boundaries guidelines for views. Kaya, so sorry. But I am posted in YouTube. Thank you.